How to verify an X account and age. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to verify an X account and age. Verifying your X account is important if you want to get the blue check mark, and also to confirm your age so you can access restricted content. To do this, you need to provide an ID and also have an active X Premium subscription. Once both of these are done, your account can be verified. Now let's go through the steps. First, open the X application on your mobile device. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Here, tap on Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Security and Account Access. From here, tap on Security. Here you will see the option for ID verification. But before you can use this option to upload proof of identity, you must have an active X Premium subscription. So go back and tap on Premium. Here you will see the available plans. Choose one and subscribe to X Premium. This subscription will allow you to verify your account and also unlock age-restricted content. Once you have subscribed, go back again to Security and Account Access. Now tap on Security. Here, tap on ID verification. Now you can upload your identification documents to confirm your identity and prove your age. After the documents are reviewed and approved, your X account will be verified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.